Hello, dear friend. My name is Ana Victoria Estor. I am 39 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I studied psychology. I am going to tell the video 5 steps to improve your way of listening to English. There are 5 steps mentioned in the video. Relax. Relaxing and focusing around in what you are hearing will give you a better opportunity of understanding. Don't try translating. Just listen. Don't try to translate things as you hear them. Don't not worry about words you don't understand. Use context to help you understand. The comprehension does not rely only on your listening skills. The facial expression can help you depending on the situation you face. Practice with different situations and voices. Listen to many and various types of voices as you can. Make a study plan. Develop an organized weekly study schedule with information that you can find on the internet. Afterward, you might place it on a wall. At the beginning of the video, they told about some situations related to those situations. A. You are listening to 4 friends from different countries who are trying speaking non-native English with different accents. B. You are listening to our new program or the video or as a podcast. There are many different speakers and of course they cannot be seen. In the 31 minutes, the other language spoken is Portuguese. There are the 2 rules for the 5 steps. Rule number 1. Do something every day. Rule number 2. Do something different every day. This is the plan that the video proposes. Monday. Listen the 1, 2, 2, son, 2, 2, 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the United Kingdom. Thursday. Do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of new show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. How to stick to your plan? To stick to the plan, I must make no commitment to study organizing a study strategy with commitment, effort, and dedication, setting a goal of mastering the English language. Put the plan in the place where you can see it. Looking forward to a future as a person who speak to Spanish and English language. This could be done with commitment, dedication. What kind of lesson plan would you propose? I propose the following plan. Monday, listen to audios in English. Tuesday, read stories that contain more familiar words. Wednesday, speak in English with another person who is interested in learning English. Thursday, watch TV program in English with its subtitle receivers. Friday, listen to short audios and imitate them. Saturday, listen to two songs in English 2 or 3 times each. Sunday, matches with in English and learn new words to enrich vocabulary. For this, I must allocate 15 minutes daily. The video tells us that the students can obtain material to practice English on the internet, on Google, or any other search engines. One can carry out specific research concerning the appropriate level of knowledge the students has of English or any topic in general. Thank you.